In recent months, doorbell cameras have become a new popular source for paranormal and mystery videos. Though most of the clips seem fairly mundane, others stand out as seriously chilling. So, from the ghost of a beloved neighbour, to a woman's abduction caught on camera, join us. In November 2018, 46-year-old Ontario resident Minnie Pitoskia was waiting for a parcel when her doorbell's motion camera alarm activated. Believing it to be said parcel, she looked outside, but saw nothing. However, when Minnie later reviewed the doorbell camera footage, she noticed a bizarre translucent anomaly emerge from an off-screen bench on the left, cross the camera, and disappear past the right side of the frame. Interestingly, she revealed that it was the anniversary of her neighbour's death, a man she'd known her entire life. Could this prove that the anomaly was his spirit, as Minnie believes, or is it simply an insect? Shot in October 2016 in Topeka, Kansas, during the now infamous clown sightings wave, this particular clown was filmed waving a machete outside of someone's door. Just like many of these videos, it's hard to tell whether the stranger had any nefarious plot in mind, or if it was just a prank. Regardless, the footage is still creepy. On August 23rd, 2018, at 2:50 AM, a 28-year-old woman rang the doorbell of a friend. However, shortly after, as seen in the footage, a man armed with a handgun gets out of a parked SUV and forcefully drags her into the car.
Yo, stop. Yo, I should slam one in your head right now. Yo. You think you'll get in the car?
I'm like, I think I'm gonna die.
Good.
Shot me. I think I'm gonna die.
Good. Okay, good. I'm gonna kill you. You wanna see these stupid things come alive?
Fortunately, in the hours following this video's release, Toronto police received a number of tips and soon found the woman safe. For safety reasons, her identity has not been made public, yet the abductor turned out to be 27-year-old Jonathan McLennan. Though he initially remained on the run, he was eventually apprehended and is now facing court. On August 24, 2018, a resident from Montgomery, Texas contacted local authorities, alerting them that a partially undressed woman had rang her doorbell and then left. Soon after, the video was released online, with viewers speculating the woman had escaped an abductor. However, 5 days later, the woman was identified as 32-year-old Lauren. According to police, her boyfriend, 49-year-old Dennis Collins, had called authorities threatening suicide, and by the time they'd arrived, Collins was already dead from a self-inflicted gunshot. Further, in an interview the next month, Lauren explained that she'd woke up to Dennis kneeling on her chest and stuffing clothes in her mouth, Believing she was going to die, she fended him off and ran to another resident's house. It was then that the bizarre footage was caught. So that was the 4 creepiest doorbell camera videos out there. I hope you liked it. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Until next time.